Good morning, children. Today we are going to see worksheets 7 and 8. Name of the chapter: Who does what work? Concept: helping each other. Key concepts: helping each other. Kinds of work done for the needs of the family. Learning outcomes. Knows that all the family members do different kinds of work to fulfill the requirements of the family. Identifies that some kinds of work are done independently. In other works, the family members help each other. Understands that helping each other increases respect, love, and affection among the family members. Conceptual understanding. The family members do different kinds of work. Some kinds of work are done independently. In other works, the family members help each other. Helping each other increases respect, love, and affection among the family members. Now, question number 1. Write down some of the works done by the family members working together. Doing agricultural work, garden work, cleaning the house, etc. are the examples of the work done by the family members working together. Question number 2. Fill in the table and discuss by asking a friends about the works done by their parents. First column, name of your friend. Second column, work done by mother. Third column, work done by father. I am writing here Ravi. First name is Ravi. Work done by mother, daily labor. Work done by father, also daily labor. Next name is Rema. Rema's mother is a homemaker. Work done by father is lorry driver. Next name is Raju. Work done by mother, homemaker. Work done by father, shopkeeper. Next name is Anil. Work done by mother, tailor. Work done by father, barber. Next name is Sita. Work done by mother, homemaker. Work done by father, carpenter. Now question number 3. Observe the table and write down what kind of work is done by most of the mothers. According to this table, most of the mothers are homemaker, right? Self-assessment 7. What work is done by the father in the picture? Who is helping him? The father is mixing the cattle feed. The boy or his son is helping him. What work is done by the father? So that we finish now. Write down some of the works done by you for yourself. Arranging books in the bag, polishing the shoes, wearing uniforms, etc. Some of the household work should be done by all the family members working together. By cleaning the house, fetching water, etc. Family members all together will do. Yes, because workload will be less and love and affection will be increased. Number 4, which of the following work is done by you, your family members? Tick mark at proper places. Name of the work: mother, father, myself, grandfather, brother, sister. The first name of the work is cleaning the house. Mother, myself, sister. You can keep tick in the particular place. Cooking. Here I ticked mother, father and sister. Next is agricultural work. Mother, father, grandfather, brother. Buying vegetables: father, grandfather, brother. Fetching water: mother, myself and sister. Number 5, write true or false. Number 1, mother helps father in his work. Yes, this is true. Number 2, nobody helps mother in her work. This is false. Number 3, all work together during festivals. Yes, true. Now number 4, I help my parents in their work. Yes, it's also true. Number 6, ask your friends and fill in the table with the kinds of work done by their parents. First column, name of the friend, work done by mother, work done by father. First name I am writing here as Ram. Work done by mother, homemaker. Work done by father, shopkeeper. Next name is Teja. Work done by mother, daily labor. Work done by father also, daily labor. Anusri. Work done by mother, homemaker. Work done by father, cobbler. Next name is Roja. Work done by mother, teacher. Work done by father, plumber. Now let us see worksheet number 8. Key concepts: occupations, child labor, kinds of work done for the needs of the society. Learning outcomes. Identity that our requirements would be fulfilled when all the family members work together. Understands that villages have people doing different kinds of work. The work they do, like woodwork, making pots, stitching clothes, etc., are highly skillful. Knows that the villagers make different things with the skill they have and fulfill the requirements of the villagers. Therefore, all professions should be respected. Make the parents to recognize that the children should be at school and not at work. Conceptual understanding. What are the different types of work done by the people of your village? Write their greatness. Stitching clothes, building house, repair taps, grows crops, etc. are some works done by the people of our village. These people fulfill the requirements of the villages. What is the loss of children not going to school and attending the work? The loss of their physical and mental development. Child labor is mentally, physically, socially, or morally dangerous and harmful to children. Ask your friends and fill in the table with the particulars of the professions practiced by their parents. First column serial number, next name of the friend, next column name of the father, last column is type of profession. First name is Reena, name of the father is Gopal, type of profession is barber. Next Akhil, father name is Srinivas, type of profession porter. Next name Seema, name of father Rajaya, type of profession carpenter. Next name is Nikhil, name of father is Venkatesh, type of profession is farmer. Draw and color the picture given below. Self-assessment 8. Choose the correct answer. The person who stitches the clothes is called a teacher, B. driver, C. tailor, D. mechanic. Answer is tailor. Question number 2. The person who makes fluff, chair, etc. using wood is called A. carpenter, B. farmer, C. blacksmith, D. mason. Your answer is carpenter. Number 3. The person who treats diseases is called A. conductor, B. collector, C. lawyer, D. doctor. Answer is doctor. Right. Answer the following in 1 or 2 sentences. What types of professionals are there in your village? What work is done by them? There are many professionals. There are many professionals are there in our village. They are weaving baskets, mending shoes, teaching, driving, selling fruits, vegetables, milk, etc., stitching clothes, builds houses, etc. What should we do when we come across the children not going to school? We should meet the parents of those children and try to convince about the importance of education and should motivate those children to join the school. Match the following. First picture is tailor, then plumber, carpenter, doctor. Tailor, scissors. Plumber, tools. Doctor, carpenter, chair. Doctor, stethoscope. Now last bit. Draw the picture of a tool used in carpentry. You can draw saw or chisel. Right, let us wind up. Be safe, be happy. Have a great day. Thank you.